Actually, what is desirable is that most of the time, at least the first half of the day, from the morning, from the dawn to the Jumma prayer, should be reserved for ibadah, reserved for remembrance of Allah, reserved for the study of the book, recitation of the book that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given, although it has not been made mandatory. Mandatory is only that period when the call has been given till the time that the salah has been fulfilled and completed. During this period, it is mandatory. You can do no business, nothing earning, no trading, nothing of the sort. Just as the Jews do for the whole day of their Sabbath. That time has been reduced for this Ummah. But still, it is desirable that most of the, at least morning time, should be reserved for the same purposes. This hadith is muttafaqun alayh, accepted by both Imam Bukhari and Imam Muslim as authentic. An Abi Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala an anna Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam qaal man ightasala yawm al-jum'ah ghusl al-janabati. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, whosoever Muslim, he takes a bath on the day of Jummah, just as the bath which one has to take if he had gone to his wife and now he had to purify his body. That type of bath should be taken, not lightly. Full ghusl janaba, that should be the ghusl, that should be the bath of the day of Friday. Summa raha fi sa'atil ula. Then he went to the mosque in the first hour of that morning. فَكَأَنَّمَا قَرَّبَ بُدْنَةً. He will be like a person who sacrifices a full camel for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The reward will be equal to the reward of sacrificing a camel for the pleasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who has gone to the mosque in the first hour of that morning. وَمَنْ رَاهَ فِي السَّاعَةِ الثَّانِيَةِ. And who went in the second hour? فَكَأَنَّمَا قَرَّبَ بَقْرَةً. His reward will be as if he has sacrificed a cow for the pleasure of Allah. وَمَنْ رَاهَ فِي السَّاعَةِ الثَّالِثَةِ. And whosoever goes in the third hour, فَكَأَنَّمَا قَرَّبَ كَبْشًا أَقْرَنًا. And whosoever is going in the third hour, he is as if he has sacrificed a goat or a sheep for the cause of Allah, for the pleasure of Allah. وَمَنْ رَاهَ فِي السَّاعَةِ الرَّابِعَةِ. And who went in the fourth hour, فَكَأَنَّمَا قَرَبَ دُجَاجَةً. It is as if he has given a hen to somebody else, sadaqah, for the pleasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. A chicken. وَمَنْ رَاهَ فِي السَّاعَةِ الْخَامِسَةِ. Whosoever went in the fifth hour, فَكَأَنَّمَا قَرَّبَ بَيْضَةً. It is as if he has given in charity one egg of the hen. فَإِذَا خَرَجَ الْإِمَامِ. And when the Imam comes out, he is going towards the mosque, towards the minbar, to address the congregation, to deliver the khutbah. حَضَرَتِ الْمَلَائِكَةُ يَسْتَمِعُونَ الذِّكْرَ. Now the angels who were sitting on the gates of the mosque, and they were recording the attendance of the people who are coming to join this Jummah congregation, they close their books. And then they also, يَسْتَمِعُونَ الذِّكْرَ. They also listen to the khutbah, to the zikr that the Imam is doing there. Now this hadith actually tells us, number one, that it is desirable that the whole time, at least from the morning till the midday, till the time of Jummah, should be reserved. But it is persuasion. It's not mandatory. Persuasion is there. If you go in the first hour, as if you have sacrificed the full camel for the cause of Allah, for the pleasure of Allah. Second hour, as if you have sacrificed a goat, a cow. Third hour, as if you have sacrificed a goat. Fourth, as if you have given in charity or sacrificed a chicken or a hen. And fifth, as if you have given in charity some egg to somebody. But you know, when Imam starts his khutbah, kharaj al-Imam, not even starts his khutbah. When he comes out, he is going towards the minbar to address the congregation. Then you know, Hadrat al-Malaikata yastami'un. Then all these malaika who are noting the attendance of these people who are attending this Jummah, then they also close their books In another hadith, this has been given in clear words. They close their registers. Now the attendance is not there. Although the farz will be accomplished, but fazila, the superiority of Jumma, that we have lost altogether. If you have joined the congregation when the khutbah had already started. So before the khutbah, you should go, you should pray 2 rakah, then sit and wait for the khutbah. So that is actually the way one should do this khutbah.